I had the best ceviche ever when I visited Malaga, Spain. Now I'm going to make it at home for you. Welcome to Malaga, Spain, a city I knew very little about before my trip. Afterward, I was ready to pack my bags and move here. Malaga is in southern Spain in an area known as Costa del Sol, also known as the Coast of the Sun. Our tour began with a lovely stroll down Lagos Street, the most famous street in historic Malaga. Our destination? A local food market. Being a Navy kid from Miami, I love seafood, so it was exciting to see such an impressive collection of fresh fish, vegetables, and fruits, meats, and even olives. The vendors were all friendly, and I sampled my fair share of food. I could have stayed there all day, but it was eventually time to move on. After leaving the market, we stopped at a quaint restaurant where we enjoyed churros dipped in chocolate sauce. Next, we traveled past the Cathedral of Malaga, a Roman Catholic church built in the Renaissance tradition. Constructed between 1528 and 1782, the cathedral is an architectural wonder. As I discovered on this trip, the Romans settled all over Spain. Malaga was no exception, and we encountered another outdoor Roman theater after departing the cathedral. Many will know that Malaga is the birthplace of the artist Pablo Picasso. We strolled through the square he used to play in as a child. We even visited the church where he was baptized. Although not nearly as large as the Cathedral of Malaga, it had impressive paintings and more beautiful architecture. Finally, it was time for lunch, and our tour guide took us to one of our favorite places for tapas. I sampled many dishes, each one better than the next. One of my favorite dishes in Malaga was shrimp ceviche. It's fresh, delicious, healthy, and easy to make. So let's get started. The ingredients for shrimp ceviche are 1 pound of cooked shrimp, juice from 8 limes, juice from 4 lemons, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 medium red onion or yellow if you prefer, 1 peeled English cucumber, 1 jalapeno, 2 to 3 tomatoes, 1 avocado, cilantro, and salt and pepper. You can cook the shrimp yourself if you'd like, but if you're short on time, buy some pre-cooked shrimp that's already deveined and peeled. Chop the shrimp into small pieces. So now we're going to juice the limes and the lemons. One thing I like to do sometimes is it helps to get more juice out of them if you roll them before. And then cut in half. And I've had a lot of juicers, but I'm particularly fond of this one because I like to buy a lot of citrus at one time. And what I usually do is I'll just juice them all and put them like in the fridge. But this one does it automatically for you. It's pretty cool. Add the lime and lemon juice and the 1/4 cup of orange juice into a bowl. Take the shrimp, add it to the bowl, make sure it's covered. You'll want this to sit in the refrigerator for about an hour so that the shrimp soaks up the flavor. Now, chop up the tomatoes, avocados, cilantro, peeled cucumber, and jalapeno. Be sure to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you're worried about the heat. But if you like it hot, consider adding cayenne pepper instead of the jalapeno. And finally, 1 medium-sized onion. This one is a large onion, so I'm only going to use half of it. So now we're going to take all our ingredients and add it to the bowl. I find that a scraper is very useful when you've got this many ingredients. Then you're going to mix this up. Then add a pinch of salt and pepper and mix it together. Now it's ready to serve. You can eat the shrimp ceviche with chips or on a tostada, or you can just eat it out of a bowl, like I like to do. Enjoy.